Pickled or fermented veggies are very good for our gut health. Here are a couple of quick pickled veggies you must have. Pickled red onion is out of this world, tangy with a little bite. Start by slicing one onion into arches. Pack them into a jar. Pour enough water to cover it and drain it into a pan. Bring the water to boil, add 1½ tablespoon of salt and 1/2 of sugar, mix to dissolve, and pour it over the jar of onions. Pour 2 tablespoons of table or apple cider vinegar. Let it cool. It is ready in 1 hour. Refrigerate the rest. Quickly pickled carrots with ginger are so refreshing. Place peeled and sliced carrots in a jar. For 1 pound of carrots, bring to boil 1½ of water with 2 tablespoons of salt and sugar and pour it over carrots. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic will ensure crispiness. 1 inch of peeled and sliced ginger will add aroma. You can prepare other veggies, like cauliflower and cucumbers, in a similar way, but when pickling mushrooms, make sure to boil them for 3 to 5 minutes. What about sauerkraut? Well, the quick version is to simply salt it. Start by slicing cabbage thinly. Sprinkle some salt and squeeze it gently using clean hands. Cover with a little weight on top to start the fermentation process. In 2 to 3 days, it is usually ready to be placed in the fridge. If you don't want to wait, simply add a dash of vinegar to salted cabbage with some olive oil for a fresh and nutritious salad. It is really good. Experiment with different spices to your liking. Black peppercorn, dill, and bay leaf are very popular and are great aromatics. Make sure to save these recipes and come back for more new ideas. Be healthy, be well. Subscribe to learn more about health and wellness.